All right, here we go. We got an example. And here is the example. Now in this example, we're given this expression and they're asking us to find the 8th term in this expression. So instead of just expanding this entire thing out using the binomial theorem, which would be kind of tedious to do, let's use the formula that will give us the 8th term. So again, all we have to do is make sure we know what our thing, what they're giving us here, right? So n equals 10, right? So, and then what? k equals 8 because we want the 8th term. And of course, a equals 2x and b equals y to the 4th. And so now all we have to do is apply the formula. And the formula, remember, finding the kth term is n, choose k minus 1 times a to the n minus k minus 1 times b to the k minus 1. And so what we're going to do is this is now equal to what? It's going to be 10, 8 minus 1, choose 8 minus 1. And then a is 2x, so it's going to be 2x to the what? 10 minus 8 minus 1 power, right? Times b, which is y to the 4th, raised to the what? 8 minus 1 power. And so then this equals what? This gives us 10 choose 7 times 2x raised to, now here's the thing, we're taking 10 minus 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7, 10 minus 7 is 3. So 2x to the 3rd, and then this is going to be y to the 4th raised to the 7th power. So let's simplify this a little more. So 10 choose 7. So let's use our formula for 10 choose 7. So that's going to be 10 factorial over 7 factorial times 10 minus 7 quantity factorial. And so this is going to equal 10 factorial over 7 factorial times what? 10 minus 7 is 3 factorial. Okay, now in this case here, 3 is easy to calculate because it's just 3 times 2 times 1, which is 6. So I'm going to rewrite the numerator as 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial over 7 factorial times 6. Now the 7 factorials will cancel. Well, 6 is what? 3 times 2. Well, the 2 divides into the 8, which gives us 4. 3 divides into the 9, which gives us 3. And so if we multiply across, we get what? 120. So this is going to give us 120 times 2 cubed times x cubed times y to, now here we have a power to a power, so the property of exponents says we multiply these, so this is going to give us 28. Okay? And so now let's simplify this. Now we've got what? 8 times 120. So 8 times 120 is 1,060. No, I'm sorry. 960. Sorry. So 960. So we get 960 x cubed y to the 28th. And that's it. Have a great day.